Sup guys, Juggalo here, and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS MAXIMUS V Formula Series motherboard. Now, I know this isn't the best lighting right now, and I do apologize for that. So I'm going to see if I can get some lighting real quick from another area, if it's even possible. Do apologize about this, by the way. Seems like the lighting here in my apartment is bar none the worst from what I've seen. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I apologize. There we go. So let's just move it over on top of here so you guys can see. Alright guys, here is the unboxing finally. I apologize. And this is the accessories and everything. You're going to get a user's manual. You're going to get the CD. But if you really want to get the most up-to-date drivers, go online to get the most up-to-date drivers. Don't use the CD. But sometimes you have to use the CD to get the Intel LAN drivers to get internet. Alright, we have Wi-Fi adapters here. We have, looks like USB connection right here, so you can do on-the-fly overclocking on your motherboard. This right here goes to your front panel for easier connection for your ground. Not for your ground, but for like your USB 2.0 and all that stuff, probably more than likely. Let me go ahead and just double check. So this right here will be your front audio connector, and this will be your USB or your power right here. But generally I don't use these, so it's just good to have, I guess. A little easier. Of course, we're going to have an I/O shield plate. We're going to have stickers to label your cables, which is really nice, right here. We're going to have, let me see what this little guy is right here. I think this is a mini PCI Express adapter. Yeah, this right here is the mini PCI Express adapter if you want to use it. It has built-in Wi-Fi. So, there it is right here. Okay. Next up, we're going to go have some SATA cables right here. Just looks like two of them right here. Going to come with, this is going to come with a SLI bridge, if you choose to do so. And then here are some SATA 6 gigabit cables right here. Alright, now we're done with the accessories. Let me move this out of the way. And you also get a do not disturb little doorstop here, or door hang, and then you also get a cool little sticker as well. Next up, we have the ASUS motherboard right here. So let me go ahead and pull the top off and take this off. Of course, I bet they have it where you have to fold this out to take off the motherboard and everything. Seems like nothing's easy. So I'm seeing about that. And it has little flaps right here to undo the motherboard. So let me go ahead and flip this upside down and see if I'll be able to get it off. Oh, there we go. Alright, and here is the motherboard. It has a lot of features on it, which I like. Has a good audio quality on it. This lights up, I think, and I'm not sure if this lights up too or not. Your USB 3.0 connection is actually located right here in the front, which is nice. You have your RAM slots, your start reset switch. You have 3/8" barbs for water cooling. Of course, it's going to be CPU. Supported for Ivy bridge. PCI Express times 16 right here. You're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8 SATA ports right here. USB connections are right here and everything like that. Then this board also supports where you can use a 4-pin Molex, and that's probably to help the audio out right here, which is nice. So we're going to go to the back of the board. So you have audio 7.1 and has 1, 2, 3, 4 3.0s, and then 1, 2, 3 2.0s, and then looks like SATA connection, HDMI, display port. This right here has optical as well, and it has Intel Ethernet great Gigabit network connectivity right here as well. And then here is right here your BIOS flashing. If you want, all you have to do is just hit this button and it automatically flashes the BIOS for you. This is for connecting this to your laptop, I think, to overclock it. At the very top, we're going to have an 8-pin right here, as well as a 4-pin if you want that, but generally you just need that 8-pin and you'll be fine. You're going to have right here, this is going to be the BIOS reset switch. You can monitor your voltages on the fly right here. And then seeing around the board, also this has a display code to let you know what everything is. And it also has some fan headers for PWM, so it's 4-pin fan headers on here, which is really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much the motherboard in a nutshell. And I believe it lights up red too where the sound effects is. So we're going to put this to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the 7970. This is a Diamond 7970. This also has, it looks like it's promoting, it has a 5-year limited warranty through this product using Diamond, which is pretty nice. It's pretty unheard of nowadays. Excuse me. Having a 5-year warranty on a graphics card. I know EVGA is just 3, but their support for the customers is really good. So 5-year warranty, I'm not going to complain whatsoever. Okay? And alright, you're going to get stickers, you're going to get a CD, manual, and then you're going to get a crossfire finger or bridge. You're going to get a, looks like, mini display port to DVI. And then this is HDMI. Let's see. HDMI to DisplayPort as well, it looks like. So that's really nice to get those two accessories. Alright. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open the card up. And here is the Radeon 7970 right here. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and block the codes so you guys can see it. But yeah, nice card. Good drivers are coming out for it. Right now, I think the most up to date is 13.2 Beta 6, and you should notice an improvement on your graphics cards if you use those. So, that is it for the unboxing. I'm really not going to do the RAM or anything else just because, you know, it's not as valuable to show. You'll see it in other videos, I am sure. But that's it, guys. Comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. It definitely helps me out, and you guys have a great day. Bye.